If you are struggling with reading market structure correctly, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can use one candle to read market structure. So before I get that, let's take a look at an example for the basic market structure. So this is how basic market structure works. You see, price breakout structure, a retracement into the at least 50% key level before continue moving high. You see, price retracement into 50%. We got another breakout structure, retracement back, breakout structure, retracement back until price hit the higher time frame key level. Then we go market structure shift, retracement back into at least 50% premium level before price start breaking structure to the downside. So that is how basic market structure works. So how we can use one single candle to understand the breakout structure and liquidity sweep right before the market structure shift. This is liquidity sweep right before we go market structure shift. Previous day low and high will serve you 5F3 for reading market structure. So let's show you how liquidity sweep happen on one single time frame. You see, price take this previous candle high, I reject and close back inside the range. If you went lower time frame, is the liquidity sweep right before we got this breakout structure below this time frame. When price close below the previous candle low, it is breakout structure I want to lower time frame. But I'll just show you this on 1 hour time frame. So you can see price have liquidity above and then a breakout structure to the downside here. I see we got breakout structure here. The first breakout structure that we got at that level, and we got another breakout structure. The range to daily time frame, you can see this low is the previous candle low. So you can save yourself a lot of time if you just focus on one single candle to read market structure, you know what I mean? So we got another breakout structure at that level, price breakout structure to the downside. That's how we got liquidity sweep and breakout structure. Liquidity sweep, this is another breakout structure based on day time frame. Market came down until we got this breakout structure. So you can use one single candle to predict the market direction. So whether it is daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, weekly time frame, whatever time frame you are trading, this simple framework will help you to save you a lot of time. You don't need to go into lower time frame, try to understand is it that breakout structure or no. You just gotta be looking the high time frame to see whether price break the low of the candle or reject out of the level. When you go reject out of the level, it show you the signature that we got liquidity sweep and then price to move in the opposite side of that liquidity sweep. So let's give an example based on the trade that I took on S&P 500 using one single candle to predict market. Alright, let's go into 4-hour time frame. So this one candle of 9 AM candle is the candle that I predict based on what I've seen here. If you look, you can see that price take this previous candle low, I reject out of that level. So it shows you that this candle sweep the liquidity below the previous candle low inside the 4-hour FBG. So my expectation for this 9 AM candle to continue displacement higher into previous day low. So on 1 hour time frame, we got S&P, which is mean that Nasdaq failed to take this low, but ES take this low and they run into previous day low. So the trade frame 5F3 and we got change state of delivery on 1 minute time frame here and then target the previous day low. If you want to learn more about this strategy, you can join the Infinity Forex Capital. The link in my bio. You can get access to know how you can be able to read market structure using one single candle. So without further ado, I hope you find this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, hit the like button and also subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for your time and I will see you in the next video. Peace.